The day I arrived, it was so much nice because I was so much excited to be in a new country and in a new culture.
It's the nature. I just love nature. So when I first came here in 2013, I fell in love with the place already because of the nature, and it's very homey for me.
It's so amazing. It's something different. That's what I expected and that's what I got. So was very happy to be here, and still I am.
It's really a beautiful place, and a lot of opportunities are here.
I choose to come mainly for immigration purposes, but another big reason is dog sledding. I'm passionate about sled dogs, and here is a place where you can do that. My favorite thing in the Yukon would probably be its nature. It's just so spacious, and like it's almost like relaxing to be here, just for be surrounded by nature.
You can do a lot of activities here. You can do a lot of hiking, enjoy canoeing and skiing, and also ice skating.
I just wanted to visit the Yukon, and when I came here I wasn't a student yet, but I liked it a lot and I chose to stay. So far it's exactly what I wanted to learn, and yeah, I find it great.
Yukon University is a really nice institution to study. It has a very good learning environment, and it has a good infrastructure which will support student learning not only in academics but the whole being.
It's a small campus, but it's good because you have everything kind of at hand.
We have lots of opportunities for gym, we have sports activities, and then we also have student lounge where students can take rest in between their classes. I have been living in the Yukon University campus housing for about 8 months, and it's so comfortable to be here. The furniture in the campus housing is really well furnished and well maintained. We have enough space for all the students to keep our clothes, our stuff everywhere. We have got good enough kitchen, and then we have got stores even. Then we have got washrooms which are well maintained and well furnished. At least we have one area where we can come quickly within 5 minutes, just a 2-minute walk, and then we can be in the class.
My favorite spot on campus is the Innovation Commons. It's on the 2nd floor, and you can sit in front of the windows there. So in the winter you get to see the sunrise from the windows. It's my favorite spot so far.
The staff here are very accommodating, and they are just very welcoming. They help a lot of things. It helped me get familiar with the place, and also being at home at Yukon University. And the teachers too, like the instructors, and they will go beyond to just make learning very effective and very practical.
Staff members, instructors, all are really nice to you, so friendly, which makes it much more easier for students like us, like international students who are new to the environment. So it makes it much easy for them to communicate with the teachers and even the friends.
Downtown Whitehorse, it's a pretty nice place. There are a lot of kind of small businesses, but they all have their own identity. There are few pubs, there are local cafes. There are also often festivals happening, so there are a lot of local events happening throughout the year.
For me, it was easy to meet a lot of students, especially that they are just very friendly, and you are not treated as a stranger. You are treated as somebody like them, and somebody that they are you are very welcome to them.
I just feel like there is a lot of opportunities in the Yukon. I really like this sense of freedom that you can get here compared to where I come from. It's really nice to be able to learn new things and maybe get a new start.